So Standard Bank and NRS have walked a long route together. We've had over 13 years of business together. What was surprising to me in the process was finding out about the trade desk that we could actually import equipment and raw materials through the bank, which was something we'd never thought was actually possible and which gave us a great sense of security and also ultimately a return on investment. NRS Solutions is a manufacturer of instrumentation and control cable. We're based in the East Rand of Johannesburg, and we basically supply industries like mining, petrochemical and food and beverage. So NRS's expansion goals included bringing in new machines, and for us to do this we had to be very careful how we did this because we don't have massive amounts of financial resources available to take chances on the wrong equipment. In my experience, I've seen other manufacturers who've imported based on drawings or pictures of machinery. And when the machinery has arrived, it's inaccurate or not fit for purpose, and therefore it's a costly mistake on their parts.
In the case of NRS Solutions, they required very industrial machinery to expand their business. That required engineering technical capability from Guamao that they actually utilized to then find the right manufacturer. That would then require the relevant certification in terms of bringing that machinery into the country. South Africa mandates the international standards for ISO, which does not align with the Chinese certifications. So what Guamao does is ensure that the certification that is in China is aligned with what is the accepted norm in South Africa, ensuring that our clients' products do not get confiscated at customs when they land in South Africa due to non-compliance. They then assist with the contract negotiation on behalf of our client with the manufacturer. That then enables a payment term of about 30% as an initial payment, which is not something that is customary in a market like China, particularly when they're looking at an overseas importer. They then request an upfront payment. But in our case, Guamao is able to then negotiate favorable payment terms, which includes that 30% upfront payment on behalf of our clients.
What Standard Bank has offered NRS is peace of mind in terms of having the knowledge that we have the bank's backing behind the suppliers that we are working with. They've vetted them, they've checked on them, they've made sure that they are the guys that we should be dealing with when we are going to import equipment. And that's given us great peace of mind. So Standard Bank and Africa-China Trade Desk gave us a seamless solution basically to what we were looking for to import. From the time of quotation and sourcing suppliers in China all the way through to placing the order, getting the finance through Standard Bank and delivery to our factory was a seamless end-to-end process with no issues at all. Ultimately, NRS has benefited greatly from the process of importing equipment. One, we've become independent from local supply. So where we had to previously purchase materials from local suppliers, we now had the independence to bring in the raw materials and refine it ourselves for our processes. And after we had the machinery, we were able to reduce our costs because we could refine our own product, and we were also eliminating the downtime due to breakage in the old equipment. And two, with the new equipment, we can develop new products into new markets and new growth for the company, which was at that stage limited by the machinery that we had. If I was to recommend Standard Bank and the importing of equipment to any other customer, I would definitely do so because they offer an end-to-end service, which is seamless, as well as the backing that they provide you, knowing that Standard Bank has your back, covers you and makes sure that the suppliers that you're dealing with are legitimate and that they give you the peace of mind to be able to know that what you're ordering is what you're going to get ultimately and is what you need for your business.